Let's go to question number 5. Again consisting of 8 marks. Question 5, 8 marks. Sir, यहाँ पे क्या option है? As good as not having option. Sir, this is cheating, huh? From 4th problem onwards, you have changed your colors. There is option, but it is not advisable to have that option. Why? First question will be on death of a partner. तुम बोलोगे सर पार्टनर का एडमिशन हुआ, पार्टनर का रिटायरमेंट हो गया, तो पार्टनर का डेथ भी तो होना चाहिए ना. हाँ, पार्टनर हॉस्पिटल में आया, रिटायर हो गया. सी, death of a partner will be for 10 marks. No, it will be again 8 marks. Be careful. Admission retirement में 10 marks था, यहाँ 8 marks है. उसके सामने आपका ऑप्शन होगा question based on your financial management. Now, what is financial management? They will ask questions on cash flow. They will ask questions on vertical balance sheet presentation, common size, comparative. So that's a question where you're going to take a lot of time and you may make calculation mistakes. So we will stick to only death of a partner. Right?